How are you all children? Very good. Thank you children. Children, are you practicing good habit at your home? Are you practicing? Say yes or no. Yes. Okay. Good children. I know you all are good children. Okay children. Let's move on to class. Okay. Look at the screen. Children, the right and the wrong. What is right thing and what is wrong thing? Whenever we're doing right thing, it is good habit, children. And whenever we're doing wrong things, it is bad habit. We already learned what is good habit, what is bad habit. Isn't it? Okay. You should practice at home. Okay. Children, doing right things will make you a good person and make you happy and proud and make your teacher happy and also make your mommy and daddy also happy. If you're doing right things, I will tell they are good children. Okay, so children, we have to doing right thing. Okay, I'm sure you all already doing right thing. Okay, let us see. Wake up early in the morning. Always wake up early in the morning and also sleep early. Children, all of you remember the rhyme? Already I taught you early to bed and early to rise. Shall we sing the rhyme? Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Healthy, wealthy and wise. No action. Early to bed, early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. Healthy, wealthy and wise. Okay, children, you should wake up early in the morning and also sleep early at night. Children, early to bed, early to rise, good for our health. It is good habit. And look at this picture. What he is doing is brushing his teeth. Brush your teeth daily. You should, you all are brush your teeth. Yes? Did you brush your teeth today? Say yes or no, children. Okay, I want to see your teeth. Say, let's see. E. Okay, wow. What a white, clean teeth. Very good, children. We should clean our teeth twice a day. Okay, we should brush our teeth twice a day. Morning and as a night. Okay. Then look at the picture. Look at the picture. Bath twice a day. What he is doing? He is bathing. Children, we have to take a bath twice a day and keep yourself clean and neat. Okay. And children, you should always wear only clean cloth. You should wear clean cloth. Then you look like smart and clean, neat. So children, you should wear clean clothes. Okay. Next picture. Okay, children, look at the picture. Wash hands before and after eating. Children, you should wash your hands before and after eating, and whenever you go out of the house and come back, You have to wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds. Okay? You should wash your hands with soap and water for 20 seconds, children. It is good habit. Okay? The next picture. Children, look at this picture. Who are they? What they are doing? What they are doing? They are playing. They are friends. It is so much fun with happily play with friends, children. You have to play with your children, play with your friend happily. Okay, don't fight with them. Okay, children. And next picture, eat healthy food in clean places. Children, we must eat only healthy and homemade food. Don't eat junk food. Okay. Healthy food make you healthy. Okay. And you should have your food in a clean place. You have to be very careful the food you eat, children. So don't eat junk food. You should eat vegetables and fruits, healthy food. Okay. And children, we should drink fresh and clean water. Water is necessary for our body. So we should drink water. We should drink clean water. Okay. And children, look at this picture. Respect elders and greet visitors. Always respect your grandparents and greet visitors. Okay, children. We always greet everyone, children, with your big smile. And you have to say, good morning, uncle, and good afternoon, uncle. Okay. Then they will be very happy and will say, good boy and good children. Okay. So, have to greet everyone. And next picture, look at this picture. Love animals and plants and nature. Okay, children, we should always be kind in animals, plants, and nature. Children, don't pluck the leaves of the tree. Okay, it will hurt them. It also has a life. So don't hurt leaves, trees. Okay, and children, don't hurt animals also. Don't pulling tail of the animals. Don't hurt them. Okay. It also has a life. Okay, children. If you hurt animals, are very bad children. So don't hurt animals. And look at this picture, children. Listen to your teachers and parents. I know you all are good children. You all are obey your parents and teachers. Okay, children. Next. Children, doing wrong things makes everyone sad and angry. If you're doing wrong things, then they will angry with you. So don't do wrong thing. Children, look at this picture. She is wasting water while she is brushing. Children, do not waste water. Okay, water is precious. Never waste water. Okay. Always make sure you switch off the tap while brushing your teeth. Okay. Do not waste water. Next picture. What she is doing? What she is doing? She is eating junk food. She is eating burger, pizza, chips. Okay. So don't eat junk food. Junk food not healthy. It's not good for your health. So don't eat junk food, children. Eating junk food makes you lazy and unhealthy and sick. Never eat outside food, children. It is not good for your health. And next, look at this picture. What he is doing? He is tearing pages from the book. It's a good bad habit. It's a good habit or bad habit, children? Is it? It is bad habits because we tearing pages from the book. Children, do not tear pages from the book. Tearing pages from your book, bad habit. Is wrong thing. So don't tear pages from your book. You have to keep your book neat and properly. Okay, children? And look at this picture. What he is doing? He is throwing waste everywhere. Is it good or bad? Good habit or bad habit? It's bad habit. It's throwing waste everywhere. Children, you should always keep your surrounding clean and neat. You should not throw waste everywhere. Always you should use dustbin to throw the waste. Okay. Do not throw waste everywhere. This bad habit. And next picture, what she is doing. Children, look at this wall. It's very nice, super wall. But she is scribbling on the wall. She is spoiling the wall. So children, it's very, very bad habit. Do not scribble on the wall. Okay. Scribbling on the walls makes untidy. So do not scribble on the walls, children. Okay. Next picture. Children, look at this first picture. What he is doing? This boy very naughty. That's why he is breaking his toy. Children, naughty children only break the toy. You are naughty, good children or naughty children? You are good children. I know. You all are good. So don't break toys. Okay. And look at this picture, children. Do not fight with your friends. They are fighting. It's very, very bad habit, children. So do not fight with your friends. You all are best friends. You should never fight with your friends. So don't fight with your friends. You have to play with your friends happily. Okay. Okay, children. Children, next picture is that boy. He's watching TV for long time. It is good habit or bad habit, children? Good habit or bad habit? Bad habit. Children, you should not watch TV for long time. Watching TV for long time will spoil your eyes. So don't watch TV for long time. You can watch your favorite cartoon only 1 hour. Okay. So not a long time. So don't watch TV for long time. Okay. And look at this picture. They are playing games on mobile. Do not play games on mobile for long time. It will affect your eyes, children. If you look at the mobile screen, it is going to hurt your eyes. Then you can't play anymore. So don't play games on mobile for long time. Okay. And children, next picture. Look at this picture. What she's doing. She's shouting in the public places. Shouting in the public places is very, very bad habit, children. Then all will tell they are very, very bad children. That's why they are shouting. It is wrong thing to do. It will disturb others. Okay. So be polite and talk softly. Don't shout in public places like hospitals, library. Okay. Don't shout in public places. And next, children, I know you all are best children. You always doing the right things only. I know. Okay, let's play. Okay. Already we played the game. Yay, boo, that game. Okay. Let's play. Children, now you will see different pictures on the screen one by one. Okay. Then you have to identify whether the action is right or wrong. If it is right, then what will say? Yay! Then if it is wrong thing, what do you have to say? Children? Boo. Okay. Look at the screen carefully and you have to say answer. Okay. Let us play.
ये बोलना चुपचाप माइक ऑन माइक खुला
Oh, children, look at this picture. What is this man is doing? What is this man doing? He is sledding on the road. It is good habit or bad habit?
bad habit
Bad habit. Then what will say? What will you say? Ooh, very good. Children, this is wrong thing. You can't speed on the road. You have to keep your surrounding clean. So, now what will say? Ooh. Okay, this is wrong thing to do. Okay, the next picture. Look at this picture. What is it? What he is doing?
good habit
Good habit. What is he doing? He is brushing his teeth.
don't be
Very good. What will you say? Yay! Very good, children. Look at other picture.
मालूम है गुड हैबिट बैड हैबिट क्या बोल अब तू
And children, now tell me, this is wrong thing or right thing to do?
wrong
Wrong. Very good. It is wrong thing to do. Then,
बोल
how to say? What will you say, children?
बुया ये
He's watching TV for long time. It is very, very bad habit. It will affect bad habit. Okay, children. Next picture. What they are doing? They are drinking lots of water. It is good habit or bad habit?
good
Bad habit?
good habit बोल
They are drinking lots of water. We should drink water. Isn't it?
good habit बोल
Good habit.
ये
Then we should drink fresh and clean water. Water is necessary for our health. We should drink plenty of water, children. Okay? It is good habit. What will you say?
ये
Yay! Okay. Next picture.
ये ना अब बोलना
Look at this picture. What she is
तो मैं
doing?
याद करती है
What she is doing?
drawing
Children, what she is doing?
building on
She is scribbling on the she is spoiling the wall.
Bad
Good
habit.
habit or bad habit?
Bad habit.
Bad habit. Very good. It is very, very bad habit. Then what will you say? Boo. Very good. Okay, next picture.
Good habit.
Good habit. What he is doing? Is waking up early in the morning. It is good. Okay, children. What will you say?
ये बोल तो
Yay! Very good. And next picture. What she is doing?
beating
She
your
is
nose
bite
your
bite her nail. It's very, very bad habit, children. You have to keep your nail clean. Okay, and you should cut your nail weekly once. Okay, don't bite your nails. It is very, very bad habit, children. It is bad habit. Then what will you say?
बोलना बे
Bad, bad. Bad
What
habit.
will you say?
बू 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 बोल
Boo!
Oh.
Boo! Very good. And look at this picture. What he is doing?
Good habit.
गुड हैबिट बोल
Good habit.
Good habit.
What he is eating? He is eating Fruits. Is it?
Food ले लो.
Ah, eating lots of fruits. It is
Yeah.
good habit, right? Okay, you have to eat fruits. Okay, don't waste fruits. Okay, should eat fruits and don't eat junk food, chocolates, chips, food, samosa. Don't eat junk food. Okay, it is not good for your health. Okay, now he is eating lots of fruits. It is good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Good habit. Then what will you say?
Good habit.
Ah, very good. And look at another picture. Children, look at this picture. What is doing?
Bad
Bad
habit.
habit. Why? Why? What is he doing? He's pulling tail on the cat. This good habit or bad habit?
Bad habit. Bad habit.
Ah, the
Bad
boy
habit.
pulling the tail of the cat. This very, very bad habit. You have to love them. Okay. Don't hurt animals. Animals also has life. Okay. Okay, children. Then what will you say? Boo. And now, children, look at this picture. Respecting elders. This good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Good habit. The girl respecting elders. This very, very good habit. Then what will you say?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is-
Yeah.
Ah, yay. Very good. Very good.
English.
And look at this picture. What he's doing?
Washing. Okay.
He is washing his hands.
Good habit.
This habit. We should wash our hands often. Okay. This Corona time,
Good
we
habit.
should wash our hands
Good
20
habit.
seconds with soap and water. Okay. This good habit. Then what do you say? Yay. Very good. Please, children, tell the answer, all of you children.
Good habit.
Okay. Now look at this picture. What he is doing? He is wearing a mask when you are going out. Wearing a mask. Mask is good habit.
Mom.
Children, it is very, very important thing to do. Okay. Now this Corona time, we have to wear this mask. Okay. Whenever you're going outside, you should wear mask. Okay. Then what will you say? What will you say? Yay! Yay! Children, are you all following this? Are you all following this? This is very, very important to wearing a mask. Okay. When you're going out, remember you should not touch anything. Okay. Not hurt. Do not hug anybody. Okay, children. Now this Corona time, don't go outside. Be safe. Okay. I hope you all are follow the right thing, and be good children. Okay. Okay, children. Now.
Makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Paper. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, makes the place untidy. Pick them out, bits of paper, lying on the
Twinkle, twinkle,
Children, we should throw waste the dustbin. Okay. Children,
Yes,
let's
ma'am.
play another one time. Okay. Now I will show you the picture. You only tell the answer. Okay.
Okay, madam.
Okay, friend. Now tell me, is good habit or bad habit?
Bad habit.
Bad habit. Then what will you say?
Habit. Boom, boom, boom.
What will you say?
Good habit. Boom. Bad habit.
Good is bad habit. Okay. Then look at
Bad habit, good
this picture.
Good habit.
Good habit or bad habit?
Yeah.
Hey, good habit. And look at this picture.
Boom.
Boo. Bad habit. Very good. And look at this picture. Is good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Good habit. That is drinking lots of water. Good habit. Then what will you say?
Good
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. And look at the picture.
Bad habit.
Bad
Good, bad habit.
Mm.
She's spoiling on the wall. Very bad habit. What will you say?
Good habit.
It is good habit.
Oh, good tapping.
Yay!
My corner.
She's biting her nail.
Good
Is
tapping.
good habit or
Bad
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 habit?
tapping.
Bad habit. What will you say?
Bad tapping. Bad tapping. Bad tapping.
Next picture. Look at this picture.
Good habit.
Not so
Good
good.
habit.
Good
Yeah.
habit. Yay! Next picture.
Yeah.
Look at this picture.
Bad
Is
habit.
tail of the cat. Is bad habit. Is hurting animals. Then boo.
Boom.
Okay, this picture.
Good
Respecting
habit.
elders. Is good habit or bad habit?
Good habit.
Good habit. Yay!
काला से उसको बैठा
Look at this picture. Hands off habit. What will you say? Yay! Next picture is wearing mask. Is good habit or bad habit, children?
Good habit. Good habit.
Habit. Yay! Good children. Bye, children. Always do the right thing only. Okay. Bye, children.